What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen, episode 10. We're on that double-digit grind. What do you think, dude? Let's go. Today, what we're gonna be making is a dish that warms my heart whenever I eat it. It's fluffy, it's crunchy. We're gonna be making rosemary tomato focaccia bread. Focaccia? Cha-cha? Oh my gosh. Here's what you need to get started making that focaccia bread. It's gonna be real nice right there, all right? We're gonna make the bread, all right? All right, we wanna get started by infusing the olive oil with some garlic, rosemary, and the tomatoes. We're gonna start chopping those. Just gonna throw a little bit of olive oil in the pan. We're gonna get the tomatoes right in there. Once your tomatoes start withering a little bit, we're gonna put them in a bowl, set them aside. Using that same pan, we're gonna add half a cup of olive oil, add the rosemary, spoonful garlic, salt, generous portion of pepper, and stir it up. Once that starts bubbling, we want to put this away to cool. To get started with the dough, what we're going to do is take some warm water, put some active yeast on top of it, along with some honey, let it sit for about 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes is up, add a cup of flour to the yeast. Add 1/4 of the cup of the infused olive oil, and we're gonna stir until it's all mixed in. We're gonna add another 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then some salt, and we're gonna stir until we start seeing some dough form. We're going to roll the dough for about 10 minutes. I know that sounds like a lot of time, but you gotta really knead this dough to get that dough, you know what I mean, dough? Once you get the dough ball, it should look something like this. Nice and smooth on the top. What we're gonna do is oil a larger bowl, put a damp cloth on top of it, let this thing expand for 1 hour, and then we are ready to bake this thing. Let's go. So now that the dough has risen for 1 hour, lay it on a baking sheet, cover the bottom with our olive oil mixture, poke little tiny dimples into it, and stuff the rest of the olive oil, garlic, and rosemary mixture and our seared tomatoes. It's gonna be real nice right there. Oh my goodness, look at that bread. We are going to bake this at 350 degrees until it's golden brown, and then we are going to eat. Just took this thing out of the oven. Oh yeah, look at how golden brown this is. Yes. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at this thing. Look at that bread. This doesn't get much better than homemade carbs, you know what I mean? Cut a little corner piece. Let's get a little bit of everything. Oh, this is good stuff. I can eat this every single day of the week. This is so good. Salt, rosemary, garlic. It all seeped real deep into this bread. Woo! All right, guys, I'm gonna go finish probably this whole loaf of bread. But before I go, gotta say thank you so much for tuning in, as always. And you already know what they say. You can do it in Mark's kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.